Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic Diecast from the 2023 Wave 9. It is Chase Elliott's Llumar 2023 Next Gen car. So on the back you can get Kimi Räikkönen, Zane Smith, Eric Jones, and also be on the lookout for Eric Jones Air Force Chase piece that comes within this wave, although it might be over. So of course the packaging does not have a sticker, as you know, Lionel does not do it anymore. So I'm going to get Chase Elliott out of the box, and I'll be back to show you the car. Okay, so now that Chase Elliott is out of the box, let's now take a look at the car. As soon as the screen... Alright, so here we go. So first off, the car is mostly white, and you see you got some yellow, orange, red flames on the sides of the car. And you also got a black top with a teal number 9, which I have no idea why it's teal. And you got a black hood, which I could see that. So on the hood, you got Llumar Windows film. So I think this company works with Windows, making them look better. See on the side, you got Napa, Hooters, UniFirst, Coca-Cola, which Chase Elliott is now in the Coca-Cola racing family. And on top of the trunk, you got Napa Auto Parts. On the side, it's black with Llumar. You got Valvoline and a small teal number 9. It's pretty much the same on the other side as on the other side of the car. You know, a lot of people said this car is one of Chase's worst schemes. I see it's a little fine for me. I do see that, but maybe, you know, they might lose the black top and replace it with white. That might be a good thing. Kind of like what they do with the backup cars. But overall, this is a good looking car. And I think that'll conclude today's episode. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.